Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by making sure the iPhone is unlocked and awake because the trust prompt appears only on an active screen. Once done, plug the phone into your computer with an Apple-certified cable. Cheap cables can fail to trigger the prompt. If iOS needs updating, update now so certificates match. When the computer asks, trust this computer? Alert appears on the iPhone, you must act there. Tap Trust to initiate the pairing step. This is the first actionable confirmation. After tapping Trust on the iPhone, you must enter your device passcode to complete authentication. This step stores a pairing record so the computer is recognized later. Make sure the computer side app, Finder on Mac OS Catalina Plus or iTunes on older systems, is allowed to access data like photos or backups because permissions determine what the computer can read. Wait for the device icon to appear and for any automatic sync to finish. This confirms the trust relationship is fully established and usable. Finish by disconnecting and reconnecting to verify the computer still appears as trusted. This ensures the pairing record persisted. If the trust prompt never appears, try a different certified cable, restart both devices, and test a different USB port. As a last resort, reset location and privacy in Settings General Transfer or reset iPhone to clear old pairings, then reconnect. Make sure you understand this removes all saved computer trusts. If problems continue, investigate security software or
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.